Let's walk you through exactly how to install your recovery points and get them properly mounted. Follow along, it's easier than it looks. Step 1, lay everything out and get familiar with your kit. You'll get 2 recovery points and 4 nuts on a stick. 2 longer, 2 shorter. You'll also find a big washer that sits on the inside of your chassis rail. Step 2, grab your tools before you start. You'll need a 13, 17 and 21 mil socket, a 10 and 22 mil spanner, and a Phillips screwdriver. You'll also want a torch and a Stanley knife, and possibly a die grinder. If one of the mounting points feels a little tight, you can route it out about 1 mil on either side. Step 3, start by removing your factory recovery point with the 17 mil socket. Then take out the bolt behind it using your 10 mil socket. Step 4, mark where the hidden hole sits behind the panel. Then carefully cut it open with your Stanley knife to expose it. Once it's open, put your bolt back in with the 10 mil socket. Step 5, undo the Phillips screw to reveal your 2 mounting holes. This is where your bolts will pass through to mount the recovery point. Step 6, this part's easier with 2 people, one holding the bracket in place, one feeding the bolt through from the other side. Quick tip, bolt length depends on the side. On the driver's side, use the 160 mil bolt on the bottom and the 150 mil bolt on top to clear the plastic housing. On the passenger side, both bolts are 160 mils. Step 7. Once your bolt is through, add a flat washer and an M14 nylon lock nut on top. Then repeat with a washer and nylon lock nut on the bottom. Step 8. Now do the same on the lower hole. Feed your 85 mil M14 bolt through. Then have a second person thread on the long nut on a stick. This one takes a small bend. Kink the stick slightly so it can feed up through the second hole higher up before it seats into the rail, angling in toward the back of the chassis rail. Once it's through, add a spring washer and a flat washer. Step 9. For the shorter hole, use your 60 mil bolt with the shorter nut on a stick. Same idea here, give it a slight bend so it feeds down into place, then add a spring washer and flat washer. Step 10. Reinstall your factory bolts into the bottom, in the same spots you removed the factory tie-down points from, using your 17 mil socket. Leave everything snug, not fully tight. You'll still need room to adjust as you finish up. Step 11. Move to your side bolts, 21 mil heads with 22 mil nuts, and get those started too. Step 12. Now torque everything down. Your side bolts go to 150 Newton meters. Your remaining bolts, top and bottom, go to 120 Newton meters each. Step 13. Tuck away any excess bolt or stud sticking out. You've got 2 options, cut it flush or jam it and tuck it behind the Phillips screw. Do the same on both sides. And that's it. Your recovery points are fully mounted and ready to go. Solid job and a great upgrade for your setup.